last week of the month. Right up into orbit, checks the